Should humans colonize other planets? That is a 1 million, because the Earth faces mounting challenges, from climate change and overpopulation to dwindling resources. Many are turning their eyes to the stars and asking a bold, future-shaping question. Should humans colonize other planets? What once lived in the pages of science fiction is now an urgent topic of scientific exploration and public debate. With space agencies and private companies racing to make Mars and beyond more than just a dream, the idea of becoming a multiplanetary species is no longer a fantasy. It's a potential necessity. But is this leap into the cosmos the right move for humanity? In this video, we'll explore the compelling arguments, ethical dilemmas, and scientific advancements driving the conversation around colonizing other planets. It begins with a question that has echoed through the corridors of science fiction and now presses at the door of science fact. Should humans colonize other planets? The idea sounds like something out of a blockbuster film. Rockets blazing through space, humans stepping onto alien soils, the Earth a blue marble hanging behind them. But behind the cinematic allure lies something more profound: survival, exploration, legacy. A race against time. Earth, for all its beauty, is vulnerable. Climate change is accelerating, natural resources are depleting, political instability and overpopulation stretch societies to the brink. An asteroid, a supervolcano, a deadly pandemic, any of these could push humanity toward extinction. Colonizing other planets is not just an adventurous leap into the unknown, it's a backup plan. A planetary insurance policy. Stephen Hawking once warned, "I don't think we will survive another 1,000 years without escaping beyond our fragile planet." Space colonization could be the lifeboat humanity needs, the call to explore. But beyond survival lies something even more fundamentally human: curiosity. For centuries, we've pushed boundaries, from crossing oceans to scaling mountains to reaching the moon. Colonizing other planets is the natural extension of that drive. It's about challenging limits and daring to become an interplanetary species. Imagine standing under the twin suns of a distant world, or terraforming Mars into a thriving new home. These are not just dreams, they are possibilities inching closer with every technological breakthrough. A mirror to ourselves. Colonizing other planets could also force us to become better stewards of Earth. It takes tremendous discipline, innovation, and cooperation to survive in space. The lessons we learn could reshape how we live here. Clean energy, closed-loop systems, and sustainable habitats aren't just useful in space, they're essential on Earth. The moral crossroads. Yet this path is not without ethical questions. Should we prioritize fixing Earth before venturing outward? Is it right to alter other worlds? Could we repeat the same mistakes: exploitation, inequality, environmental destruction on new planets? Are aliens real, and where are they? These questions don't have easy answers, but perhaps the act of asking them, of striving to be better as we expand our reach, is part of what it means to evolve. Are aliens real? That's one of the biggest questions humanity has ever asked. Are we alone? We don't have direct evidence. No confirmed signals, no spacecraft, no little green beings. But statistically, the odds seem heavily in favor of something being out there. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, contains around 100 to 400 billion stars, many with planets. And thanks to missions like Kepler and James Webb, we now know that billions of Earth-like planets probably exist in just our galaxy. Multiply that across the universe's estimated 2 trillion galaxies, and the idea that Earth is the only cradle of life feels unlikely. Even renowned scientists like Carl Sagan and Stephen Hawking believed in the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Maybe not like us, but alive nonetheless. So where are they? That's the heart of the Fermi paradox. If intelligent alien life is likely, why haven't we seen them? Here are a few possibilities. 1. They're too far away. The universe is mind-bogglingly big. Even if signals are out there, it could take thousands or millions of years to reach us. 2. They read too different. Maybe alien life doesn't use technology we'd recognize. What if they communicate in ways we can't detect or even imagine? 3. They don't want to be found. Some theories suggest advanced civilizations might purposely hide themselves. Think cosmic quarantine. 4. They're already here. Some believe UFO sightings could be signs. While most are explainable, a small percentage remain mysterious, but not proof. 5. We're early. Maybe intelligent life is rare and humanity is among the first. Or civilizations tend to destroy themselves before achieving deep space travel. Bottom line, we don't know for sure, but we're looking harder than ever. With the James Webb Space Telescope analyzing alien atmospheres and SETI scanning the skies for signals, we might be closer than ever to answering the question. And if aliens are out there, maybe they're asking the same thing. Are we alone? The verdict: so, should we colonize other planets? Yes, but not blindly. We should do so with care, intention, and humility, not as a means to abandon Earth, but as a way to protect and honor it by ensuring that the human story continues. Because the stars have always called to us, and now, finally, we have the chance to answer. But here is the bang question. What are the possibilities, risk involved, moral questions of becoming an interplanetary species? Becoming an interplanetary species is one of the most ambitious goals humanity has ever set. It carries incredible possibilities, serious risks, and deep moral questions that we're only beginning to fully understand. Possibilities. 1. Survival of the species. Colonizing other planets reduces the risk of extinction from global disasters, asteroids, nuclear war, pandemics, or climate collapse. 2. Scientific discovery. Living on other planets would vastly increase our understanding of the universe, planetary systems, alien life, and the origins of life itself. 3. Technological advancement. The challenges of colonization will drive innovation in areas like energy, sustainability, robotics, AI, and medicine, benefiting life on Earth too. 4. Expansion of human potential. It's the next great frontier. Exploration feeds creativity, curiosity, and the human spirit. Colonizing space could redefine what it means to be human. Risks involved. 1. Technological and environmental challenges. Life on other planets is extremely hostile. Radiation, low gravity, and lack of atmosphere make survival difficult and resource-intensive. 2. Physical and mental health risks. Prolonged space travel and alien environments can damage bones, organs, and mental health. We're still learning how the human body truly handles long-term space living. 3. Economic and political inequality. Space colonization could widen the gap between wealthy nations or corporations and those left behind, creating a new form of colonialism. 4. Mission failure. Catastrophic failure of early missions due to technology, mismanagement, or unforeseen events could result in loss of life and momentum. Moral questions. 1. Should we fix Earth first? Critics argue we should prioritize solving problems here before investing billions in leaving Earth. 2. Do we have the right to alter other worlds? Terraforming or exploiting planets like Mars could destroy potential ecosystems or interfere with alien life. 3. Who gets to decide and benefit? Who governs space colonies? Who gets to go? Ensuring fair access, rights, and representation in space raises massive ethical and legal issues. 4. Are we repeating history? Colonization on Earth often came with exploitation and destruction. Are we about to repeat those mistakes on a cosmic scale? Final thought. Becoming an interplanetary species could be humanity's greatest achievement or its most dangerous gamble. Whether we thrive among the stars depends not just on rockets and resources, but on wisdom, unity, and a clear vision for the future.